Okay, I've now glued the davits onto my 4mm strip, but there's a bit of a problem. On deck plans that I've seen, on photos and other people's builds, on each side of Britannic there should be 6 lifeboat stations each side. But unfortunately I've only got enough davits to make 5 on that strip and only 4 on this strip. Gluing them on was dead easy. So here's me one with the 4 on. Just glue them on with the super glue, dead easy. On the outers there's one, and then on the inners them doubled up to make the stations. So that's me one with the 4 on. And then I've got the one with my 5 on. Again, dead easy to glue on. And they look really well. They look really nice. I don't know if you can make out the detail. But once I get these primed and painted white, hopefully the detail should be a bit more visible. Now, I've been on to Tyler from China 3D Prints on the Messenger. And he says, sorry about the shortage, Wayne. I'll inform China 3D Prints and we'll get you a new cage sent out. And all I've got to do is pay his postage, the shipping charge, which will cost me £20. It's £20, which is $27. He's also, as an apology, he's going to do me the rear stern deck with the deckhouse walls for the morgue, and he's going to ship those with my missing davits. And like I said, all I've got to do is pay the shipping charges from China, which is again $27, which is just over £20. So hopefully those should. I'm getting tongue tied. Hopefully those shouldn't take too long to arrive, and I can actually complete my lifeboat stations on my 4mm rod. Right, welcome back. It is the 4th of August today, Tuesday. I last spoke to Tyler on the 20th of July, which was a Sunday, and he said that my replacement davits and my stern deck had been done. He showed me some pictures of it, and that was on the 20th of July, and he said it will be shipping sometime in the week. So I would have, and then according to the tracking, when I received it today through Royal Mail, they dispatched it on, well, it got into the UK on the 30th of July, so that was last week. So just over 2 weeks later, my parts have arrived. Really quick service, so thank you again to Tyler for arranging it with China 3D Prints to send me the replacements and the extra stern deck. All I've had to do is pay 20 quid postage and $27 postage, which is £20. And like I said, 2 weeks later they've arrived, so I'm going to show you what I've got. Right, so here's my box. It's bigger than I expected, to be honest. So the box is 23 centimeters long by 8 centimeters tall, 9 centimeters tall, so that's 90mm, by 140mm wide. It had a piece of the foam on top of that, and this is what I've got. So I'll move that out. Move that out of the way. Put that there. Actually, so there's my deck, and there's me 2 sets of replacement davits. They've given me 2 complete sets. So thank you very much for that to Tyler and the guys over at China 3D Prints. Let's just put my flash on as well. Right, so again, moulded in black. Here's what I've got. So you've got the morgue room. I don't know if that was some kind of storage room. You've got some lovely detail for the underneath deck, because this is going to go face down like that on top of the stern deck once I've stripped it. And then you've got all the 3D printed cage. That's all got to be cut off, and then hopefully once I've cut all that off and sanded it down, I'm going to have a nice smooth deck with my deck houses face down like that. I don't know if you can make it out, but they've also got deck house windows. There's some doors there. I don't know if you can see it. We've got deck house windows. There's 6 deck house windows, more windows, doors, one double door there, double door there. On the other side as well, looks like a door here to the storage room or whatever the hell that is. Same again, I don't know if you can make it out. Double door there, 6 deck house windows. So I'm really well chuffed with the detail on this. So that's my stern deck. They're not selling the stern deck. I'm assuming they might sell the stern deck actually eventually, because I had to give them the measurements. I just put a crude drawing on a piece of paper and took a photo of that, and he said, Wayne, that's perfect. So that's what I did. So there's me one set of lifeboats. Whaling lifeboat davits. That's me one set. And there's my other set. So I've got 2, so he's given me 2 sets. Again, all I've had to do is pay the postage, $27 US, $20 British pounds. And that's what I've got. So the next time, I can complete the rest of my lifeboat strip, and I'll have all the cage took off that. So let's see what happens. Not bad for 2 weeks though. Right, so I've got the 3D printed backing off it, and to be honest, they look like bloody palm trees in a way. Quite easy to get off actually. I just snipped round the edges and then I pulled slightly and it all pretty much came off in one. Actually turn that flash on. Yeah, pretty much came off all in one piece. Like I said, it looks like bloody, what's the name, trees, palm trees. So this is what I've got. I've obviously got to sand all this off. There's some like little dots where everything was connected, and you can have a better look at that now with all that off. So like I said, that will sit down on the deck here where all this has got to go. So basically what I've got to do is I've got to get the stern bridge off, because that will end up sitting on top of there. I'll probably have to cut all the chairs off, which is a shame, you know, because there are some benches, there are some benches on top of that as well. So I might have to remake those out of some strip plastic. All the ventilation funnel things, then will have to come off. Like I said, I'll just get the glue and just loosen them up, and again glue them onto there. The buffers, I'll probably end up, I don't know if them have to go on there as well, maybe. There's also going to be some lifeboat stations and lifeboats on top of there. I think there's 2 lifeboats, there'll be one here and one here. Once that goes on there. So I'm going to give this a quick sand. I'm going to primer that obviously. And like I said, get my glue and start loosening all that stuff off there. Right, welcome back. Gluing the remaining davits, the missing ones onto my strip, and I've just test fitted where it's going to go. So there's a tiny bit of gap between the gantry davit and the Whelen davit there. I've put it in this corner to be level with that, and then it's going to be virtually touching the those are my temporary funnel lines. But yeah, I've just test fitted this both sides. Let's turn this around slightly, you can see it on both sides. Looking really good. 6 lifeboat stations, because if you remember I only had 5 for that side and 4 for that side. So those are just test fitted for now, and they look really good actually. So obviously I've got to glue it and then get it into its final position, and then put in the lifeboats in between. I think I'm going to use my kit supplied lifeboats. Now my kit supplied lifeboats are slightly smaller than the ones that Tony printed off for me and Roman designed. They are slightly smaller, but they'll give in the little gaps there for to complete the lifeboat stations. Now, where did I put that? So here's my secondary deck to go on the stern. It's all primed now. I don't know if you can make out the door detail better. Yeah, you can slightly. I've just lightly primed it in grey primer. I'm going to spray white on top of this. On the top, that's just my paw prints. But all the dots have virtually disappeared. So I've just got to wipe this off with my paw prints, because it is a hot day today. It's like 24 degrees at the moment. And I think it's only like midday. So, but there, the grey primer's done its job. It's got in there lovely. I only give it a light dusting, nothing too heavy. And I've already started removing some of the bits and bobs that I'm on there. So you've got your vent pipes, everything forward, everything backwards I should say, of the cranes has got to come off. So that bollard there, tie off bollard, that'll probably have to come off as well. All the seats will have to come off. Whatever the hells these are, I don't know if it's some kind of venting apparatus, but everything there has got to come off. The outer ones, the outer bollards, I think I might be able to leave those on. It's just everything on this inner. I mean, it's a shame that the seats were actually built into the deck. If there was a part that was separate, I could get my Tamiya extra thin, like I've done with the these bollards here. Like I said, just get excuse me, get it underneath and just very gently with my tiny pliers. Very gently with my tiny pliers, and just prise them off. The rear steering deck, platform, there it is. That was quite difficult to get off because you've got, and even on the sides, the tabs have come off. Let me just pick up a bit better. The tabs have come with it as well, they haven't broke off. And the platform supports, I think they were just glued onto the surface. But the tabs that were on the outer platform uprights, they've come out. The side of the steps has come out, the handrail, that's that there. But generally it's come out okay. The tab snapped off, unfortunately. Mounting tab, it's still there. Just in front of my fat finger. But generally, you know, just let the Tamiya extra thin work for about 10 minutes. And then just very gently prise it off with my tweezers and my little pliers. But that's come off all in one piece. So, where's my little platform gone? Ah, it's on my leg. So, this will actually sit back on there. Like that. So once all the chairs and these bits and bobs have been cut off, I can then test fit this and then obviously detail it. But yeah, getting all that off weren't too bad. Some of it came off pretty easy, some of it was a bit more difficult to get off, and I had to very gently prise it off, but I got there in the end. So yeah, that's the next work I'm going to be doing. I've got to primer the lifeboat stations in the grey, and then I'll probably spray white on top of that and then get them glued on. But yeah, but test fitting at the moment, they look really, really nice, not bad at all.